Hello Internet, I'm not Matt Haas, and this is not Awesome Wood Things, but I am participating in his Makers Rock collaboration. If you don't know what that is, it's where a bunch of makers over here on YouTube get together and we're recreating album art from our favorite artists. This year's theme is 90s, so I picked Blink-182's Dude Ranch. It's one of the first concerts that I went to, and it was a great time, and I've been enjoying their music ever since. So that's what I'm going to do. These videos will all be coming out on the 20th, and the cool thing about it is that we're all giving this art away. So there's about 30 participants this year, maybe a little more. I'll try to link all their channels down in the description below. Be sure to check that out. Look at their channels, see how to enter, find one you like. Be sure to check out Matt's channel, Awesome Wood Things, because he's putting this all together and really got it started. So check him out, check out my channel. I'll try to get it out on the 20th, but definitely everyone else's videos will be out then. Until next week, rock on.